Am I the only one that didn't know a whale could sneeze a man out? Sounds mad, right? Well, hang on. So here's the quick version. Jonah's been inside a giant fish for 3 days, praying, plotting. Suddenly, the whale gets a massive tickle, one colossal sneeze, and out flies Jonah, landing on shore like a soggy superhero. The Bible doesn't give sound effects. Picture a whale-sized honk and Jonah's dramatic exit. Moral: never underestimate the power of a good sneeze, or very dramatic marine biology. Like, share, follow for more wild history in under a minute.